Hello everyone, I am Kshitij Aussie and I am talking to you to present my views about the toxic TRP oriented media which is created by us only. This might have felt bad to you, but the truth involves us all. We made the media TRP oriented. We only wanted few things like the international relations with Pakistan and China, only army related news and only some Bollywood case related news, like the most popular was the Sushant Singh Rajput's case. So we made them TRP oriented, and you might have seen in the earlier TV programs on Doordarshan, the news programs on Doordarshan, and they provide a detailed analysis of the videos and the news. But what is happening today? We are just concentrated or self-centered and about the news which we are loving to watch. There are many media houses like India TV and Z News which support BJP, and there are others like NDTV which only support Congress and other opposition, and they always are talking against BJP. And there are some media houses like Republic TV which are constantly in the fight with the government. You might have heard the case of Arnab Goswami. So what is happening today? We are so much self-centered that we are only allowing them, or they have found us that we only want the news related to India, Pakistan and China, and they never concentrate on the problems of our country. They never talk about the unemployment. They never talk about the education policy. You can comment down if you have seen many debates on the education policy, and the most important thing was that when we all were fed up with the is COVID news and the COVID cases being found here and there, and the media houses also recognized that the whole public was fed up with the COVID news. So on seeing the TRP, they found a jackpot like or something which can, or a lottery you can say, in the name of Sushant Singh Rajput's death case. So almost all of the media houses devoted whole of their time to in the fate of Sushant Singh Rajput and Rhea Chakravarti. They covered almost everything of Sushant Singh Rajput's death case, which was of no use to us. But if they covered, let's say, everything, so there must have been some result, but there was nothing at all. As everything just disappeared like a stream in the sand. And then there was the Indo-China war. We cannot say that war, the tension on the border, which happened in the late 2020, and so all of the media houses just jumped from the Sushant Singh Rajput death case to the India-China border tension, and showing each and everything about, consistently they are telling about the India-China border tension, but no one talked about the floods in Bihar, which came 10 years earlier and will be coming in. And the Bihar has the same chief minister from the last 3 terms, last 15 years, but still there is no change in the condition which was 15 years earlier and now. The floods are coming and coming and coming, and they will come. And no one talked about that bridge which collapsed in just 1 month of its inauguration. Why is no one talking about? The answer is simple: because we don't want to them talk about it. So I want to tell you to share this video to the to your friends, and especially to the media related person, for them to see this and know their responsibility. And there has been a program in which was called Sahitya Aastak. In one episode, and the guy who was being interviewed told the facts about how many debates Aastak have done on India and Pakistan border tension. It was around 100, and on the women empowerment and education it was less than 5. and no one is talking about the national education policy. There has been some shows, I know, like the DNA of Sudhir Chaudhary on G News, but they are much less in comparison with the Sushant Singh Rajput's death case and India-China border tension, which gave us nothing. If you will research, you will find that everything just disappeared, just like the stream in the sand. The result was nothing but just a TRP which they wanted from us. So I want you all not to be toxic for the Bollywood news and the just some border tension news. Please concentrate on the news which really mattered for us. And sometimes it feels that the newspapers are the much better than these television or the social media. They provide us almost all news with different aspects and tell us about the views of other peoples. And the most recent case which you can find of the TRP oriented media is that the Hathras rape case. Everyone was covering the Hathras rape case and blaming the government for not doing anything, but what happened now? Everything just vanished, like it was nothing there. So I want you all to be like this video and share and comment your views down. If you want something, want to tell something, or please share this video to everyone you know, and especially to the media related persons, for them to know that what they are doing and to tell them their responsibility towards the nation. Thank you.